Did you know there's a 1920s typewriter in New York that began typing messages on its own, with no living hands in sight? Have you ever heard of it predicting real disasters, earthquakes, market crashes, even celebrity deaths, before they happened? What would you do if you captured ghostly whispers recorded through that antique device, claiming it hears souls typing back? Here's something you won't believe. Last night it typed out my name unprompted, then paused. And the next word, it's still missing. Stay tuned to find out.